Hello. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Come on, Benjamin. Benjamin, say thank you. Oh, there's your kisses. Oh. Benjamin, come on, say thank you. Look, Chloe. Don't you love your little lamb? Benjamin, do you like your little pig? Oh, I think Chloe likes them both. She's taking... So the... Oh, chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Yeah, well, we have that after lunch.
Chocolate.
We'll have it after lunch.
Chocolate.
What else? What else? What else?
Chocolate.
Oh, that's for Papa. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Here. Benjamin, open up this one. Look, another one for you. Ooh.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah. What is it?
Princess.
What is it? Thank you for my socks. Very happy. I'm going to put my socks on. Oh, you're bringing out your other animals too? Oh, the kitty. Hello, kitty. You're introducing your kitty to the new animals? Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a book. What book? A tree. Oh, a train? Which one? Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, the Christmas book. Yeah. Oh, Chloe, here, let's open up this one, Chloe. Hey, Chloe, you want to open? Oh! That's so cool. On the first day of Christmas, how'd you like it to me? Oh, wow. So, thanks, you guys. We just got the box. Thankfully, no taxes had to pay. Chloe, look. Chloe. Okay. Well, anyway, so thanks, you guys. We love you. Bye. Oh. Benjamin, say thank you, Grandma.
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Bye-bye, Grandpa.
Whoa.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Oh,
That's so cool.
tree.
A tree, yeah, that's like a word, a tree. So thank you, Grandpa. Hello, Benjamin. Thank you, Grandpa. Kisses. Chloe, give him a kiss. Well, anyway, they're very happy. So thanks, you guys. Love you. Oh, that's for Papa. Anyway, okay. Bye.
Bye.
Merci.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.